Welcome to G-Tech, your one-stop shop for tech news and reviews.
Welcome back, YouTube, to a brand new episode of G-Tech. I'm your favorite YouTube reviewer, internet guy. Today, I got a brand new thing that just came in, and I've been dying to get one of these for a while. But I finally went to go see my doctor, and I was able to get a note so I could pay with it for that handy-dandy HSA, one of my favorite things to do. If you don't know or notice, haven't noticed in the past, I'm always like rubbing my nose, or I'm always like in the middle of, takes or whatnot. But the reason being is I have severe allergies. So I've had these allergies my entire life, but they got worse from boxing and broken noses and stuff like that. So I finally am going to do something about it, and I'm super excited to show you guys the device I got today. Most of you could probably guess, but it is a brand new Crecolife True HEPA air purifier. So I'm going to cut this bad boy open, and we're going to see what exactly is inside the box, and I'll just give you my first impressions, and maybe I'll do a follow-up in a week or two of my quality of living, maybe on a quick story or something. But we'll get this puppy open and we'll see how it goes. Quick note, the giveaways have been at the end of the video, so what I'm doing is I'm putting this at the beginning right now, so stick to the end of the video, and you'll get to hear what the giveaway is, but you got to stick all the way to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will say it again at the end. This video is going to definitely incorporate my daughter's baby, so there's a hint already. Alright, so we're going to get to opening this puppy. This is not a jerry-rig knife, although it looks a lot like it. Shout out to Jerry Rig. It's one of my favorite YouTube channels to watch. He does a lot of breakdowns and stuff like that. Jerry Rig everything. I don't know if you've ever seen it, but he destroys phones all the time. This is not his though. So here we have in the box, right as you open it, the Crecolife KJ402F series air purifier. Here's your user manual. It's got a lot of touch buttons, stuff like that. Alrighty, so we got it unboxed and everything, and as I was getting ready to plug it up, I noticed in the instructions that I had to screw this top part off here and take out the stuff from the inside. I couldn't find the plug, I didn't know where it was, so it was inside, which is cool. This is a, what does it say? Output 24 volt DC plug. And then I have to take, I guess this is where all the filtration comes through. I have to take the filter out. So this is the true HEPA filter, apparently. Oh, look at that beauty. That's a beauty. Here's the inside. Tell it's got a bunch of layers of hopefully allergy blocking filtration power. So we are going to get this puppy all put in and all locked up. And we're going to get it all plugged in and turn it on and see how it sounds. And that'll kind of be my first impressions. I'll go over some of the buttons and everything like that we touch. But we'll get it all locked up and see how it goes. So now we got this bad boy all set up. Let's see what it's all about. I keep forgetting the name of this thing. Crecolife KJ402F series purifier. We're gonna crank it on and see what goes up. See how it sounds. So I don't know what everything means on the top, but it is looking for a Wi-Fi connection. Now it does come with an app. that is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capable. I haven't downloaded it yet, but I will download it later. So in my update video, I'll give you more features, usability on the app, and see like what exactly you can see from it. But here's kind of what it sounds like, and I'll get the mic close. So this is on like a level 2, I guess. Not really loud, but we could crank this puppy up to level 4. Now it gets significantly louder. I'm pretty sure you can hear it now. But my wife and I are able to actually see dust particles getting sucked into this thing and blown around, which is really, really cool. It has me super excited. Now you can see this bottom part's all open, and this is where the dust comes in, and then it blows clean air out on top. So I'm actually super excited to see how it goes. You're not supposed to put anything by it to block it because it sucks in. So you're supposed to keep it 15 feet away from anything like curtains or walls or anything like that. Now there's a sleep feature, there's an automatic feature, there's a daytime feature, then there's a fan feature, so you could fix between the variable speeds, as well as like a light that tells you when your filter needs to be changed. And it'll let you know through the app as well. So looking forward to giving you guys a better review at the end. Maybe about a week or 2 of living with it in the house, see how me, my son, and my daughter deal with our allergies. We actually ended up getting 2 of these puppies for the price of one of a more expensive brand. So all in all, 2 of them costed about almost $400. But like I said, you could pay with HSA. So those of you who have it, you should be excited. Well, that'll do it for my first impressions of this air purifier. I am super excited to have it, as you can see. Hopefully you guys were able to tell in the video, it was sucking the dust particles in, and you could see them kind of just like floating towards the device, which was really, really cool. So I'm looking to get all that precious air out of there, and hopefully next time I do that on tape, it'll be a lot clearer. But if you suffer from anything like allergies and everything, you have to go get a letter of medical necessity to present to your HSA to be able to purchase it. You might even have to call in your HSA or FSA and let them know that you're doing it. It's not medical advice or anything like that. That's just a process I had to do to get these puppies in, so I could use them in the house. But I went to see my doctor, and he's like, yeah, dude, get a couple, you could benefit from them. So I did get this one. This one has a CADR rating of 450. So when I was looking it up on my HSA website, they said the best ones to get have a 300 or above. So these 2 have 450 apiece, and they could clear up to about 1,500 square feet. So there's that. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and we will try to answer them, as well as I will be doing a follow-up video just to kind of let you know how I'm feeling, how I'm breathing, and hope, if it works or if it doesn't work, if it's a placebo effect or if it's an actual assistant to my issues. There's a lot of pollen and stuff in the air and junk all the time, dust here down in Texas. So it'll be a good litmus test to see how bad or good these things work. As far as our giveaways, we will be doing a giveaway. If you could tell me who the baby is in the back, what the character's name is in the comments, you will be getting one of the gifts. You can ask, one of the previous things that we reviewed. You'll be able to ask for which one you want. Obviously not the Pixel or the MacBook. We're not doing those until I get it somewhere into 100,000 subscribers. So like, subscribe, tell your friends. When we get some big bucks, I can do some bigger giveaways. But until then, I'll be doing the stuff that I got on TikTok Shop or Amazon. Links to everything are now in each description, so you can get a link to this, and it is an affiliate link, so I do benefit from it financially. So just wanted to make sure that you guys were clear and you don't click the links, not thinking that I don't get paid from them. I do definitely get paid from those links. So I appreciate you all. Continue to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you there or see you at another time. Deuce.